everyone. My name is Madhuri Thurat from AISSMS IOIT College. In this video, we are going to discuss what is the rotation transformation. For the rotation transformation, we have to basically know what is the transformation. And the transformation means the manipulation of the object. Manipulation of object means what? Object is moved from one position to another position, or object can be resizing. Resizing means it can be minimized or it can be maximized. And the third point is the rotating the object with certain angle. So there are so many basic transformations in CG, computer graphics. First one is scaling, rotation, translation, reflection and the sharing. So in this video we are going to discuss what is the rotation transformation. So consider a point. See, this is the diagram for the rotation transformation. Consider the point object O to be rotated from one angle to the another in the 2D plane, in the two-dimensional plane. So let's initialize the coordinate of the object, that is the x volt and the y volt coordinate. These are the initial coordinates of the original object. Next, we have to initialize the angle of the object, that is the O, with respect to the origin, that is the phi. And we are initializing the rotation angle as a theta. Okay, and we have to calculate the new coordinate. So we have to initialize the new coordinate, or we can call as a, we are declaring the new coordinate as a x new and the y new. So this rotation is achieved by using the following rotation equation: x new equal to x volt into cos theta minus y volt into sin theta. And we are calculating the y new. Y new means the coordinate for the y axis, equal to x volt into sin theta plus y volt into cos theta. We can also calculate by using the matrix also. So in matrix form, the above rotation equation may be represented as x new y new equal to cos theta minus sin theta cos theta into x volt y volt. Okay, so this is the matrix representation for the rotation transformation. So now we are discussing the main problem of the rotation transformation. So the problem statement is: given a line segment with starting point as 0 0 and the ending point as 4 4. Apply 30-degree rotation anti-clockwise direction on the line segment and find out the new coordinates of the line. So basically we have to initialize the old values and the new value. Means what? Initialize the initial coordinates and the new coordinates, that is the x volt and the y volt are the old ending coordinates of the line, that is the 4 4. Means what? X volt equal to 4 and the y volt equal to 4. We rotate a straight line by its end point with the same angle. Then we redraw a line between the new end points, and after that we are initializing the rotation angle, that is the theta, and in the problem statement they are giving the values of theta equal to 30 degree. After that we are calculating the new coordinates, that is the x new and the y new. So for playing the rotation equation, we have the x new equal to x volt into cos theta minus y volt into sin theta. So we are putting the values of x volt and the thetas in the equations. We already know the values of x volt and the y volt, and we also know the values of theta. So put the values in the equation. After that, calculating all these things, we are getting the values as 1.46 for the x new value. Similarly, we are performing the operations on the y new values for the y axis. So the y new are calculating as the x volt into sin theta plus y volt into cos theta. So similarly we know the values of x volt and the y volt and the thetas. Okay, so put the values of theta equal to 30 and the x volt y volt value as a 4 4. After that calculating, we get the values of the x new. So we are getting the x new equal to 1.46 and the y new equal to 5.46. So we draw here, see in this diagram, we are draw here the O dash. Okay, So O is the our original coordinate, our initial coordinate, and the O dash is the new coordinate. So we draw here the new coordinate as a 1.46 on the x-axis and the 5.46 on the y-axis. See, this is the rotation of the theta of O to the O dash. So we get the rotation transformation of the original object. Thank you.